Most people who say I fell out of love are not telling us the full truth. Happy New Week, my people. How are we all doing? Love didn't die, connection did, is our topic today. Love didn't die, effort did, connections did. You cannot ignore someone for months, avoid hard conversations, withhold affection, and then you conclude there is no love. Love doesn't disappear overnight. What disappears first is communication, emotional safety, intentional romance, spiritual unity. When communication dries up, love feels dead. But feelings are responders. They respond to investment. They respond to actions. Marriages don't collapse because of lack of love. It actually collapses because of neglected connections. Many couples in mid-marriage are not out of love. They are tired, unheard, disconnected, and spiritual dry. And instead of rebuilding, they assume it over. The Bible never said love would always feel exciting. In Revelation 2:4, God told the church, "You have left your first love." He didn't say love died. He said left, that love left. And that means it can be returned to. And in Corinthians 13, love is described as patience, kind, and enduring, not emotional or temporary. Love is a decision sustained by action. If connection died, revive it. Start talking beyond responsibilities. Bring back appreciation. Touch again. Apologize where pride has ruled. Pray together even if it's awkward at first. When couples reconnect spiritually, emotional walls softens. Before you say I don't love you anymore, ask yourself, did the love died or did I stop watering it? Dead things don't respond, but neglected things can be revived again. Restoration is possible. I'm still your mentor, Miracle Kem, the mid-marriage restoration mentor. Do have a wonderful day.